Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Insta360 Studio application for your Windows PC. First, let's open the web browser and look up Insta360 Studio. Then select the first link we got here. It's the official website Insta360.com. Download App Studio 2019. Then press download and choose a verification method to download the application. You can go with email or serial number of your device. I'm gonna go with email, so let me just quickly type it in. Then confirm that you're not a robot and press OK. And right now the application is installing. And once it finishes, just press right here to start the installation process. Select language you want to use during the installation. I'm gonna go with English. Okay. Accept the user agreement, and you should also read it before. Then the privacy policy. Next. Then select the directory for your application where you want it to be installed. Click next and select the program's shortcut in the start menu folder. And then we get some checkboxes over here. So if you want to have a desktop shortcut, you should have this one left checked. Add the application. If you want your application to automatically update, you should also leave this one checkbox checked. File associations, you would rather want all of them to be selected since they associate every file like videos and photos made with your camera with the application, so you will be able to open them using this application. And then add-ons, you can install Reframe plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro video editor if you use it, so you can use the videos made with the Insta360 camera in the Adobe Premiere program. You can also install the thumbnail plugin, so you can see the thumbnails of your videos in the Insta360 program. You'd rather want it to be checked. And then the Quick Look plugin is actually the one we don't need since it's Mac OS only. And then click next, install, and wait for the application to be installed. And right now the application is installed. As you can see, I got the icon on my desktop. We can open the application and start using it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.